Hi students, this is Alex here. In the problem, if a probability of a player winning a particular tennis match is 0.72, what is the probability that the player losing the match? So, we E event winning a particular tennis match. So, I E winning automatically E dash losing the match. Now, question P of winning P of E 0.72. Now, P of E dash 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus the value 0.72. This subtraction 0.28.